Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix DEKCO camera not connecting to Wi-Fi, setup, signal strength and app troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working by connecting another device to it. Then check that the camera is connecting to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if required. Now move the camera closer to the router and try connecting the camera again. Fix 2. Restart the camera. Unplug the camera from the power outlet and wait for 30 seconds. Then plug the camera back in and wait for it to restart completely. Fix 3. Restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router and wait for about 1 minute. Now plug the router back in and once the internet is working, reconnect the camera. Fix 4. Reset the DEKCO camera. Keep the camera powered on and press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Now wait for the camera to restart and add the camera to the DEKCO app again. Fix 5. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Open the DEKCO app and start the camera setup. Now carefully enter your Wi-Fi password and tap connect. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.